Welcome to Master Kalog and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Narito ang statement ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ipinapaliwanag niya yung tungkol sa video na kumakalat na may pagbabanta. So ito yung statement niya, pakinggan po natin yung kanyang paliwanag. Nasa bandang 6 minutes ng video na ito yung explanation niya about doon sa statement na kumakalat na video na merong pagbabanta. So, yun nga, pinaliwanag nyo yun doon. And then, itong mga nasa unahan ng video, dito pinaliwanag niya yung naging situation ng kanyang tauhan na si Lopez at saka yung isa pang tauhan niya. So, pakinggan na lang po natin yung statement niya, yung buong statement niya po. Eto po.
Si Attorney Lopez extended yung detention niya, no? So, meron siyang meetings today with all the lawyers. Nandiyan na rin yung kanyang mother who will join the meetings with the lawyers. So, antay na lang natin kung ano yung galawan ng mga abogado ni Attorney Zuleika Lopez. Health-wise, walang iyak today, kanina, walang iyak. Kausap niya yung mama niya, and dumating din yung best friend niya mula sa Davao City. So, nandyan sa taas. And kagabi naman, medyo late natulog. And ang pagkakaalam ko, ang endorsement sa akin kagabi, hindi daw masyado kumakain. So, meron silang request na i-encourage siya na kumain. Okay? And the next is Miss Gina Acosta. As you saw during the hearing yesterday, tumaas yung blood pressure niya, 150/100. And nawalan siya ng consciousness. Tapos, pagdating niya daw dito sa ER, she was unresponsive. Yung parang ginaganon dito ba, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Ginaganon dito, she was unresponsive. Pero, na-okay naman siya then after. But, merong mga nakita ang mga doctor na follow-up check. Kaya inadmit siya today, and then I visited her this morning. Nagpaalam din ako sa kanya. Ano pa siya, day 1 pa siya sa trauma niya. So, hindi pa masyadong maayos kausap. Tsaka medyo parang pagod. Yes, parang pagod na pagod siya. So, bigyan lang muna natin siya ng time na makausap yung mga doctors niya, and then tanong natin sa mga doctors kung ano yung pwede sabihin, tsaka sa patient kung ano yung pwede sabihin. Kagabi, nag-CT scan siya kasi they wanted to rule out a stroke. So, hindi ko rin alam kung anong results. Hindi ko nakita. Hindi din nasabi sa akin. So, tanong lang natin sa patient kung anong part ng medical information niya ang pwede niyang gusto niyang i-share. Kasi pinagalitan ako ni Nicole kagabi dahil binanggit ko daw yung panic and asthma attack niya na medyo na traumatize yung family sa Davao. Yes. Okay. Ang sabi niya, na daw siya, she'll take legal steps. Yun yung sabi niya sa akin. And then sinabihan ko siya na, well, hindi na ako sasali sa discussion dyan. Kausapin mo na lang yung mga lawyers mo. Anyway, nag-hire ka man ng lawyers mo. So, ngayon, isa-isa darating yun. Kausap sila. Tsaka nandyan din yung mother. Yun din yung sinasabi ng nanay niya because yung nanay niya is used to work for the courts in Davao City. So, merong alam sa batas. In court cases, yung mother ni Yusek Lopez. So, yun din ang sabi ng mama niya. We want to take this to the courts. I do not know with Miss Gina Acosta kasi hindi pa nga siya medyo makapag-isip ng maayos. Pero nasabi sa akin kanina na nag-video call na daw with family. Kasi yung next of kin niya nasa Davao din and some of the relatives nasa United States. Okay?
Next agenda sa PSC, the PSC has doubled the security for President, First Lady, and First Family.
Okay, sige. Unahin ko muna yung... Nauna kasi yung statement ni ES eh. Tapos lumabas yung sa PSC, no? So, unahin ko muna yung kay ES. Meron naman na kayong copy ng kay ES. Ito na lang yung sagot. Nirelease na namin ang written nito. Basahin ko lang. Tapos, yung NBI, I'm sure you want to ask about the NBI. Since hindi ko pa nababasa kung ano yung isi-serve nila sa akin, we will talk about NBI tomorrow. Pag-anuhin nyo lang muna ako kasi kailangan ko din isulat kung ano yung isasagot. So, give me time to read and think about it. Okay, so ito yung sa kay ES, no? This is a reply to the statement issued by the Presidential Communications Office on the order of Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin dated November 23, 2024. The Marcos administration's insistence that the President's life is under active threat is ominous. I raise this caution as the President and his sycophants aggressively sell a narrative based entirely on my statement, which is taken out of its logical context. Bakit hindi nila pinapalabas kung ano yung question ng media? Bakit hindi nila pinapalabas kung ano yung una kong sagot? Bakit ang pinapalabas na lang nila is the last, 4 words of my entire statement? They are building a narrative and I'll tell you kung anong playbook ito. There is absolutely no flesh on the bone, and despite the absence of a reliable investigation, authorities were quick to consider this a national security concern. The diametric contrast and inaction are displayed when I have expressed in previous months threats to my person and the continuing threats to the lives of OVP personnel. Tossing the word assassin. Pakicheck, may sinabi ba akong assassin doon? Wala. So nilalagay nila doon sa narrative nila, assassin. And nilalagay nila sa narrative nila, murder plot. Into this issue, tossing the word assassin into this issue makes things even more terrifying for our country. And especially because I never used that term during my recent consternation against the Marcos administration's failure to serve the Filipinos while it masterfully persecutes political enemies. Common sense should be enough for us to understand and accept that the supposed conditional acts of revenge does not constitute to an active threat. This is a plan without a flesh. Pag pinipilit mo siya na active threat siya, isipin ninyo ang buong mundo na nanonood. Ganito ba ang kapasidad ng mga Pilipino na mag-isip? Diba? At wala silang pakialam dyan. Pero ako, nahihiya ako na ganito ang kapasidad ng mga tao sa administrasyon. I am confident that an honest scrutiny would easily expose this narrative to be a farce, imagined, or nothing at all. So, may question kayo doon?
You said you were taken out of context, and you also mentioned that they have a playbook
Yes.
that's going by.
Yes.
So, can you explain to us that context, set it straight,
Yes.
and also explain to us that playbook?
Okay, sige. So, the context is, what did I say? I was asked, do you know about the Roman... I'm sorry ha. I was asking for the transcription of all that I said, I did not get it before I came down. So I have a problem remembering the exact words. Yes. So there was a question about Romanov, and I said, well, this is the first time that I've heard of that, but I've been watching.
Thank you for watching.